So we're in the Hoh National Rainforest, and yeah, we have a national rainforest. And I want to show you this tree. Let me see if I can turn this around. No, I can't. Anyway, look at this tree. All right. Now, look up this tree. Okay, see the top? Because I can't. And I'm standing here. So let's walk away from it. We'll walk away from it a little bit and see if we can see the top. So there's the tree over our shoulder. And there's the, still going up. There's the top of it. So there's our van, all packed up, ready to go. So you can see the height of the tree. You can see the height of the tree compared to our van. See if we can get it all in one frame. Almost there, almost there. All right, there it is. Our tree, that tree versus our car. Anyway, and there's Mandy. This tree. All right, old growth, huge trees, Hoh National Rainforest. There's the beauty wife. Woo! All right.